Today, I'm going to show you how to create a professional looking billboard mockup using Canva. Super quick, super easy, and no fancy design software needed. So, let's dive right in. Open Canva and search for billboard mockup. Select the one you like and click on Customize this template. Now, upload the design you want to place on the mockup and adjust it. Next, let's place it on the hoarding. Go to the apps and search for Reshape. Click on the first option, then choose Distort. Now, drag the corners of your design to align perfectly with the corners of the billboard. Once done, click Save to apply the changes. Now, when you're happy with how your billboard looks, just go to the top right corner, click on Share, then Download. Choose your preferred format and boom! Your professional billboard mockup is ready to use. Perfect for client presentations, social media posts, or simply showcasing your designs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.